What's up, guys? Today we are making these barbecue chicken bowls, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by putting our chicken in our Instant Pot, and then we're going to add our barbecue sauce, we're going to add our diced onion and garlic, and then we're going to add black pepper into there. So just dice up an onion and some garlic before this, obviously. And then just add the pepper, and then that's it. And then we're going to cover it, and we're going to cook it on high pressure for 15 minutes. Once it's done cooking on high pressure, we're going to take it out and shred it. And then you'll want to use saute, but I suggest like letting it cool down because my Instant Pot was not about it. Anyways, after that, we're going to cut up radishes, and then we're going to dice up our mango. Obviously, I slide, like, don't copy me on how I cook that or cut my mango because you will cut yourself, but it's fine. So then we're going to shred all of our chicken up, and all of the barbecue sauce that we had left in that bowl, we're going to put on saute for 5 minutes, and then once it's done, it'll be thick, and we're going to add our chicken to a bowl and then put all of that barbecue sauce with it. Then we're going to take some cauliflower rice, and we're just going to measure out our chicken. That way you have like the correct macros on this. So obviously your chicken is going to be in fourths, and then we're going to add our mango. I was kind of worried about how the mango would work with this bowl, but we did it anyways. And then the radish, and then we're going to add some avocado in there, and then pickled jalapeno, and that's it. Bon appetit. And it does work. This is fucking delicious.